Introducing WANDIT, available now from Toolstop. WANDIT is the bendable, extendable, flexible, wireless inspection camera. Offering a 2-megapixel camera, WANDIT helps you see those hard-to-reach places right on your phone. With our mobile app available for both Apple and Android, getting a look in has never been easier. Just download the app from the App or Play Store in just a few clicks. Whether it's drains, gutters, nooks or crannies, the WANDIT is your go-to inspection device. The WANDIT is wireless. It has a 360-degree view and digital zoom so you can inspect even closer than before. With its patented design, the WANDIT offers an ergonomic grip and an extendable handle which can reach lengths of up to 4 feet. Rechargeable and ready for any mission. Seeing is believing, and you won't believe what you can see with WANDIT. WANDIT, available now from Toolstop. Visit www.wandit.co.uk today.